How do I create a budget for a pop-up drink stand? You create a budget by listing every expense you will have, from ingredients and cups to your permit and table rental, then comparing that total against how much you expect to earn based on your price per cup and how many drinks you think you can sell in a day. Think of it like a lemonade stand, but a grown-up version where you have to plan ahead so you do not lose money. First, you write down your fixed costs, things like a table, a canopy, a cooler, and any permit fees, because those do not change no matter how many drinks you sell. Then you figure out your variable costs, which are the things you buy more of as you sell more, like cups, ice, lemons, sugar, and straws. Something a lot of people do not realize is that you should calculate your cost per single cup, not just your total ingredient cost, because that tells you exactly how much profit you make on every sale. Once you know that number, you multiply it by how many cups you expect to sell to see your real profit for the day. A neat trick vendors use is called the rule of 3, where you price your drink at about 3 times what the ingredients cost you, which covers your other expenses and still leaves profit. One common mistake is forgetting to include your own time as a cost, so you end up working for almost nothing once everything is paid for, and the fix is to set an hourly goal for yourself before you even start. Another mistake is guessing how much stock to buy instead of planning around expected foot traffic, so it helps to check the weather and nearby events before you shop. People also forget about spoilage since fruit and ice do not last, so only buy what you can realistically sell within a day or two. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.